Hello viewer, here we will take a cycle design. There we will choose the different options to make it more attractive and use the different options here. So let's use a design. Here on the surface, here it is, a new shade to add there. Let's take a shade there. We will add a different picture. Thank you for watching.